Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed these levels, you can log in or sign up to an online account to link your progress. To sign up, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and within link accounts, just tap on the link button. And now you will see the EA account, the Facebook option, as well as Google Play Games. You can use whichever option you wish to sign up for your game. Once you tap on your desired option, you will either need to log in to the respective account or sign up by creating a new one. If you use Facebook or Google Play Games, you can simply choose your respective account that you wish to use, and it will be linked to your FIFA mobile game account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.